Time to pay, Mr. Lightning.
Baby, it's not what it looks like.
You cheater!
Baby, listen! Baby! She's my killer, not my mistress! Oh, no, 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 no. What can I do? What can I do? I got it!
Seriously?
Are you the guy with the magic lamp?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Yes, my master. What can I do for you, my master?
I need you to fix this misunderstanding between my wife and my killer. You can grant any wish, right?
Yes. But first, tell me everything that happened from the beginning.
From the whole beginning?
Yes. All right, start from the beginning.
Well, it all started when I was a child. My mother beat me a lot.
No, not that far back. Start from the assassin part.
Oh, right. And then the assassin came and he was all like, I'm gonna kill you. And I was all like, no, you're not. And then we fought and then he died.
After listening to your story, I know exactly how to fix this.
Really?
When I snap my fingers, everything will be all right. Just remember, when life gives you lemons, you make a sandwich.
Wait, what? Oh, thank God. Fuck. Well, when life gives you lemons, make a sandwich.